In this project, we will simulate the air and water flow inside an open channel. The geometry of the present model is designed in ANSYS Design Modeler software. The geometry of the present model is meshed inside ANSYS meshing software, and the mesh type used for this geometry is structured.
By clicking on the subscribe button, you will be informed about the newest CFD training videos by Mr. CFD. Or if you are watching the training video, click on the Mr. CFD logo and subscribe.
By clicking on display button, a new window will appear which you can see different parts of your geometry. After clicking on the phases tab, underneath the phases section, you can see the two phases of air and water has been defined here. Also, in order to add a new phase, all you have to do is to click on add phase button and then add a new phase from the material you have defined. Now, adding a new material to the software will be defined and explained in the next slides. After double-clicking on the residuals button, a new window will appear. In the appear window, you can see the absolute criteria for equations like continuity, x velocity, y velocity, and so on. Now, when you set the software to start the simulation, there would be error between each iteration. Now, if that error is less than these criterion, it conveys the meaning that that equation has reached convergence. Now, in this contour, you can easily see the changes of the velocity inside our computational domain for two phases of air and water. Now, in this contour, you can easily see the changes of the volume fraction of the water phase. Also, you can easily see the interface between two phases of water and air. Again, just like the previous slide, you can see the volume fraction of the water phase here. Also, you can see the interface separating two phases of water and air. Finally, a summary of different settings and setup that we have used in our project is presented to you in the slide.
Obtain the mesh file and also the full training movie by purchasing this product.
Open channel is a waterway channel or artificial waterways for water conveyance or to service water transport vehicles. They may also help with irrigation. It can be thought of as an artificial version of a river. Nowadays, the use of canals in the industry has received a lot of attention in applications including air ducts and water transmissions. The shape and dimensions of the channel also largely depend on their uses. In this project, the two-phase flow of water and air inside an open channel is investigated. The standard K-omega model is used for solving turbulent flow equation. Also, a multi-phase VOF model with the use of an open channel setting is activated to simulate two-phase flow of water and air inside the channel. The water enters the channel with a mass flow rate of approximately 60 kilograms per second, and its interaction with the air phase inside the channel is simulated. To benefit from Mr. CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, contact our experts via info@mrcfd.com.